What's up, guys? Working That Track, Jason here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Halo Band. Now, I've used the Halo Band for about 2 weeks, and it's been a little bit over 2 weeks. And I did tell you on the last video above that I was going to tell you guys about my 14-day review, and I'm sorry, it took a little bit longer than expected. So, after using the Whoop Band and also the Halo Band, there are some comparison, and I was not a big fan of the Halo Band. Now, the reason why I'm not a big fan of the Halo Band is because I think the Halo Band itself is a very good product and it has all the bells and whistles. If they're looking for a fitness or a health tracking band, Halo Band is a very affordable band that you can get. However, it is not a fitness tracking band that will replace my Whoop. I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of data that I got after my cycling and all that, and then if you guys think it's good enough, well then good. It wasn't as detailed and it didn't give me the data that I wanted to know. Alright, so I have the data for the Whoop band on my phone here. So this is the week of October 12th to 18th. It says that I received 280 points. Now, whatever I'm looking at, it's also here so you know what I'm talking about. So 280 points. So it means I did an intense workout for 2 hours, 5 minutes. It gave me 250 points for that. So the Halo Band, it gives you points on how hard you worked out. So there's the light, the medium, and intense. So they give you points depending on how long your heart rate was at that intensity, I guess. How you earn points. You can see. Intense activity, 2 points for every 1 minute. Moderate activity, 1 point for 1. Light is 1 for every 20 minutes. Oh, 1 point for 1 minute, 1 point for 20 minutes. Okay. I got that mixed up, so okay. So Saturday, as you can tell, is very, very high. The reason why is because that's the day I usually go out for a cycling ride, so that's the reason why it's big. Thursday, Friday, Sunday, as you can tell, I was lazy. I did not work out. Now, I'm going to be showing you what the activity was. It was from the activities. As you can tell, Saturday, 6:30 is when I started cycling. Gave me 88 points for that. We had a stop. We started cycling again, 7:45, 60 points for that. And then 9:40, I started cycling again for 51 minutes straight. Gave me 100 points for that. So let's go into cycling. It tells you okay, I don't know why I'm showing you this because it's right here. So as you can tell, for cycling, 88 points gives me a heart rate. Okay, but it doesn't. That's it. It's just the graph and no other data for that. Total time 44 minutes. Intense step, calorie, max heart rate 116, average heart rate 100. Okay, so it tells you it was a health benefit, low impact sport that benefits leg strength and heart. Okay, let's try the 60. Okay, again, I think that 108 right there is telling you what your highest heart rate was during that ride. Now, the only reason why my heart rate was so low for this ride is because we were actually riding with someone new. So that's why my heart rate wasn't as high. For this one, 132. Total time 51 minutes. Yeah, okay. So for a ride that had an average, I don't know, maybe 110 heart rate, it gave me a total of 280 points. So that's pretty crazy. Alright, so for this one is the one before when I just got it. And then let's see, 1 hour. So this one, you can tell 178 was my max heart rate for this ride, 1 hour, and then gave me 46 points. Max heart rate 178, burned 810, but that's it. Like, it just doesn't give you the information that I want. Now, what is the information that I want is, for example, Garmin tells you, hey, you have to rest 24 hours or 72 hours after the exercise. Halo Band, all it does is just simply keeps track of what you did, which of course is something that it should do. But I kind of thought with Amazon technology and all that, they would do something very similar to what Garmin did and what Whoop did, that it tells you after an exercise, hey, your stress level was like this, and you should rest for like 24 hours, or next day to recover, do like a light jog or a light cycling ride or something, you know? This doesn't do any of that. It just tells you what your score was and tells you, hey, good job on hitting 300 points for that week, or tells you, hey, you're short of 100 points, do something. So for me, Halo Band, sorry to say, but it gotta go. I did expect a lot from Amazon. I mean, and also, it is their first generation health fitness tracking band. So I think they did a really good job of it. But for me, it just doesn't work out because it doesn't give me what I need. And especially when I'm training for a triathlon and my workout session, I do overtrain. So Whoop, on the other hand, it tracks my overall health and my heart rate, and it tells you, hey, you're not recovered, so you have to stay back and then do less strain on your body. And sometimes I'll get a good night rest and wake up refreshed, and the Whoop will tell me, hey, today you gotta kick ass and go out there and kick your butt and do a high straining workout. That's what I need. I need like someone to tell me what and how to do it, and because physically I will feel great, but my body on the other hand is not recovered, so I don't know, and I will overtrain and I will hurt myself, and that's the reason why I have the Whoop band, and Whoop will stay for now with me until maybe Amazon comes out with a better fitness tracker. I had high expectation, but it's gotta go. And next video, I am gonna be talking about the Whoop band and how it does benefit and how it benefits. Alright guys, I love you guys. If you guys liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And next time, like I said, I will do the Whoop review. I just don't know when, because I also have a bunch of other videos that I do want to work on, like the midsole cycling. You didn't know about that. So that's also coming up, and I also have other tips that I want to do. So alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.